Hi, it's Arinda here, holistic life coach and counsellor, helping you to bring peace and balance back into your life. Healthy, balanced living secret number 6. I recharge myself in green, open spaces. When was the last time you took time out to sit in the garden, or take a walk in the park, or go even further afield to spend time in nature? The modern approach to maintaining a healthy body and mind tends to focus primarily on diet and exercise. Most of us simply overlook another vital ingredient that's essential to our overall sense of well-being, and that is our relationship with nature and the benefits it can bring us. Anyone who immerses themselves in and appreciates nature can't deny the sheer peace, tranquility and happiness that is experienced whilst in its midst. The physical and psychological response to being in nature has a direct impact on the stress hormone cortisol, causing its levels to drop. Lower levels of cortisol mean a decrease in blood pressure, heart rate, and a natural move away from the nervous system's fight or flight response, and a move towards the more relaxed rest and digest response. The health benefits associated with low stress levels are well documented. Research studies have shown that not only does being in nature lower your blood pressure, it also guards against and fights off depression, anxiety, back stress, and even prevents cancer. Now, our ancestors knew how vital the energies found in nature are to our mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Every ancient tradition and culture around the world has honoured and celebrated nature. The mountains, the rivers, the trees, the sun, the moon, and Mother Earth. It's only in relatively recent times that we've moved away from our connection to nature, and it appears that this has had a detrimental effect on our overall sense of well-being. It doesn't have to be difficult to get a daily dose of nature. Here are some ideas. Take up gardening. Take a drink or book and sit outside in the garden. Take a walk in the park at lunchtime. Join an outdoor exercise club. Take up an outdoor sport. Take up watercolour painting and look for beautiful natural scenes to paint. Identify local National Trust sites and organise a visit. Organise a picnic with family and friends. Identify local canal-side paths and riverside walkways. Take up bike riding and visit local national parks and forests. Or go camping. Now we all need to revive the attitudes of our ancestors and refoster our connection with nature. As Ryan Netter Weinstein, a psychologist at the University of Hamburg in Germany, said, "Nature is something within which we flourish, so having it be more a part of our lives is critical, especially when we live and work in built environments."